The bit holder assembly allows you to store an extra driver bit on your tool. The holder is a plastic bracket with a steel clip that the bit clips into. If the tool is dropped, the bit holder can be broken. Replacing the bit holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The bit holder is a simple part to replace. It's held to your tool with a single screw. I'll begin by removing the screw. Now I can install the new bit holder. It will only fit one direction. And I'll secure it with the screw that came in the kit. And that's how simple it is to replace the bit holder assembly on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.